This video is for beginners who are going to invest. For them, it is going to be the best video on YouTube because in this video, the best investment plan for 2026 have been told, which you should not miss. Most people think investing is only for the rich, but that's a huge myth. Investing is simply putting your money to work so it grows over time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how anyone, yes, anyone can start investing today, even with small amounts. By the end of this video, you will know the basic of investing, common mistakes to avoid, and how to start growing your money logically. Investing is not about gambling or luck. It's about using logic to grow your money. At its core, investing means putting your money into something that can generate return over time. Unlike just saving money in a blank bank account, which only preserves your cash, investing actually allows your money to grow and work for you. Even a small investment made consistently can grow into significant wealth over the year. Many people rely only on saving, thinking it's enough, but saving alone won't beat inflation, meaning your money loses value over time. Investing is essential because it helps your money to grow faster than inflation. Building real wealth, it also allows you to reach life goals faster, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early. The sooner you start, the bigger the impact over time. Let's break down the main types of investment. First, stock. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of a company. Stocks can give you high return but come with risk. Second, bond. These are loans you give to companies or government. They pay interest over time and are generally safer than stock. Third, ETF. These are collections of stocks or bonds. They allow you to invest in many asset add-ons, reducing risk and making it easier for beginners. Understanding these types is the first step to building your own investment portfolio. Many beginners make avoidable mistakes. The mistake of first trying to get rich quickly. Investing is a long-term game. Second mistake is investing without understanding the basics. Never put money in something you don't know. Third mistake is following trends blindly. Just because everyone buys a stock doesn't mean it's the right choice. Being aware of the mistake early can you save from unnecessary losses and stress. And come back to the main topic of the video, how to start investing. So how do you start? Step 1, set aside a small amount each month. Consistency beats size. Step 2, learn about different types of investments, starting simple. Step 3, open an account on a beginner friendly platform like an online brokerage. Step 4, start small, observe, learn, and gradually increase investments. Remember, the key is to start and learn as you go. The psychology of investment mindset. Your mindset matters more than money. Stay patient, disciplined, and logical. Don't panic with short-term market fluctuations. Focus on long-term growth. Wealth is built slowly, consistently, and intelligently. Developing the right mindset now will make your journey smoother and more profitable in the future. The example of growth over time. Let's look at an example. If you invest just $100 a month, starting at the age of 20, assuming an average 8% annual return by age 40, you could have over $50,000. This shows the power of starting early and being consistent. Even small amount and up when invested wisely. Hey, if you are still watching, it shows you are serious about your future and smart with money. This is my first video, but the next one even bigger, even more powerful, and packed with secret to grow your wealth. So stick around, hit that subscribe, and let's level up together. Subscribe is my investment and to connect with our Instagram and YouTube family. Quick tip for beginners. First, start with what you can afford. Second, diversify your investment to reduce risk. Third, keep learning, read, watch, and analyze. Fourth, avoid emotional decisions. Invest logically. These tips will help you build a strong foundation. If you want to learn how to grow your money step by step, subscribe and hit the bell icon. We are building a smart money mindset together and I'll guide you every step of the way. Remember, anyone can start investing. The only requirement is to take action today. And I am say again, subscribe me. I am beginner of YouTube. So please subscribe for the next video.